Hello ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's Papa Bale and welcome to the channel. So this is a counter-rotating pulse motor, and let me explain why. You got a stator that can spin both ways, and you got a rotor that can spin both ways independent of each other, like so. When I say independent of each other, they're spinning in opposite directions, okay? That's what I mean. So there's no confusion. And then there's only 3 outer magnets now. The perm magnets, neodymium cube, not cubes, but squares, 40 by 20 millimeters. And the reason that they're so big is because they're actually farther away from the coil than they look. All right. Because there's 5 millimeters right here. Sorry, there we go. And then whatever else in between. Let's try and get that idea. So about 10. Well, I mean, we could retrofit one of these rotors to house a Hall effect sensor. And maybe, get an Arduino small unit and put it on top, and program it and then put it on top. But that's like a whole, that's a whole learning curve down the road here. So we'll turn it on. So this is 3 magnets, all south facing in. Now the coils that I wrapped, they're all clockwise wraps, so they're all south coils. Yeah, and it's counter rotating. That's pretty cool. Just automatically, you make it so they both can spin. And they'll counter rotate automatically, I'm pretty sure. See, it's all going, this is all spinning clockwise, I'm pretty sure. Now if I let this go, counterclockwise. Sweet. We're going to slow it down. And that's 120 degrees with the permanent magnets. And since there's only one, there's 2 coils active. One runs on the accumulated AC. From the pickup coils. There's two coils on each peg, right? One drive coil and one pickup coil. So when that one drive coil hits, it's going to send a shock through the whole pickup system, and you're going to get more electricity. And if you don't know how that works, it's a proximity transformer without core. Basically, that's what it is. So you put one coil has a signal generator hooked up to it and some power, and you put it up next to a coil of the same size and mass, but of a much thinner gauge wire, and you are going to get the best response that you possibly can. It's just got to go, around to the edge a little bit. You can put all the wire on the edge if you want, but lining them up, like using the same bobbin to make both coils was essential. Not just because it fit the system, but because you're going to get the best response when they line up like that. And you're going to get energy from the magnets, and you're going to get energy from the pulse coil. But yeah, now I do want to try 180. So I'm going to move this magnet here and take this magnet out, and they're both going to be south facing in. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and we're at 180 south facing in. Let's start it up. And here we go. That's pretty cool. It's 2 magnets, ladies and gentlemen, south facing in. Oh, we're getting a little fast now. And I'm just, if we wanted to make the stator still, it would work just fine, as you can see. But now, I want to do one more experiment. I want to do one more 180 spread with a north-south. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, we're back. Let's try it out now. 180 north-south. Turn all the power on. Oh, it was going the other way and then it... Dude. That just exemplifies my theory that this is going to happen no matter what because of the equal and opposite reaction going in the opposite direction. I think they left a part out, equal and opposite, but in the opposite direction. Look at how harmonic that is. What I mean by that, when I say that, the outer shell and the inner rotor are going to start spinning at relatively the same speed, automatically. It's crazy awesome, man. It's so cool. It's like, and let's think of the reasons why that might happen. And I could go even as far as to remove the north facing in magnet completely and just have one magnet on there. I think that would run exactly the way I think it would. But this is close, man. I think this might even be like, because the outer stator is moving, it looks like it at the same speed or twice the speed. It's hard for me to tell because there's fewer magnets on it now. It might be twice the speed. If there's math for that, there's 2 magnets on the outside and then there's 1 coil on in the middle. But there it is, man. I think that's like sweet. That is a rhythmic pace. That is great. So cool. All right. Well, thank you very much. Peace out. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.